How to add phone number in the Walmart application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're on the Walmart app and wondering how to add your phone number but getting a bit confused where to tap, here is how you can easily get started and add it on your Walmart account. First of all, launch open the Walmart app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on Account at the bottom right corner. In the Account tab you see on the page, go ahead and look for the gear icon at the top right corner. Inside the gear icon, you'll see Account Settings. Tap on Add Phone Number under Contact Info and Password. On the next page, go ahead and tap the Add button right next to Phone Number and enter your phone number in the pop-up. Make sure to enter your mobile number carefully. Also, choose your country code from the left. And once you type in your phone number, you can choose whether you'd like to verify your phone number by tapping on the Text Me button or the Call Me Instead option. If you want to verify via text message, tap on Text Me. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via your SMS app. And now enter the code that you received in the text box on the next page. You can also tap the Call Me Instead option and you'll receive a phone call, and once you take that phone call, you'll be able to verify your phone number as well. So that is how you add your phone number in Walmart application quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.